Doors off, unlocked. Understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. In today's lesson, we're going to delve into the interesting English phrase, doors off. You might have come across it while reading a book, watching a movie, or maybe in casual conversations. Let's understand its meaning and how you can use it. First, let's think about the words themselves. A door is a movable barrier, typically made of wood or metal, that allows entry to and exit from a building, room, or vehicle. When we say the door is off, it means the door is removed from its hinges or not attached. In contexts like helicopters or adventurous rides, doors off may mean the vehicle is operated without its doors, allowing passengers an unobstructed view or experience. While doors off can be taken literally, it also has a figurative meaning. In informal slang, if someone says, "You blew the doors off," it often means you did something impressively or exceeded expectations. For instance, her presentation was so good, she blew the doors off everyone else's. The new player blew the doors off the veteran players with his performance. This expression conveys the idea of doing something so effectively that it's as if you've made a grand, noticeable entrance or made others seem less impressive in comparison. While doors off is a fun phrase to use, make sure you're using it in the right context. It might not be appropriate in very formal settings. Also, avoid using it too often in a single conversation. Remember, variety is the spice of language. And there we have it. The next time you come across the phrase, doors off, or want to use it yourself, you'll know exactly what it means and how to employ it correctly. Language is a beautiful puzzle, and with each phrase we understand, we get closer to mastering it. Hope you found this lesson helpful, and until next time, keep exploring the nuances of the English language.